Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Morant Urban Center, one of the nicest facilities you will find in Jamaica and the Caribbean. Now today we're going to talk about what you could say is going to be the most popular store or popular business entity in this facility. Now we are in St. Thomas. That building straight ahead is named after Paul Bogle, a national hero of Jamaica. So in this facility now you're going to find almost every government entity in Jamaica along with almost all the major fast food chains. On the right, that is a new courthouse, the nicest courthouse you will find in Jamaica. But that's not going to be the most popular building. Straight ahead to the right, that is the passport office and the tax office. But that will not be the most popular building. Straight ahead, that building is going to be Juicy Patties, and the one at the bottom, one of the two is going to be Juicy Patties, the other one will be Burger King. But they won't be the most popular building in Jamaica. Straight ahead, that's going to be a mall. That won't be the most popular. No entity or business in there will be the most popular at this facility. This is going to be the most popular building or entity, business entity in this entire complex. You have banks, you have Hard Trust NTA, you have the Morant Bay Urban, the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation. This will be the most popular building. This will be the new home of KFC in St. Thomas. Ironically, this will be the first KFC location in the parish of St. Thomas. So, we're giving you a tour today of this new building. This store, I should say. Now, it's not open to the public yet. It's still under construction. Now, to the top of the screen, that is the entrance to the Morant Bay Urban Center. And to the left, that road is the Southern Coastal Highway. Now, do you see how strategically located this building is? As you enter the facility through the main gate, the first structure you're going to see is KFC. Even if you don't enter the facility from the main road, the first building, the most prominent building, the building closest to the main road is KFC. So as you are passing by, you will pass the KFC. And you see how much land is around it? That's because this building is going to be packed to capacity. The drive-through is going to be busy. It's something that happens all over Jamaica. But being the only one in St. Thomas, this facility is going to be extremely busy. So I think it was an excellent idea for the organizers of the Morant Bay Urban Center to put this location, to put KFC where they put it. Strategically, it was a good move, and without a doubt, this will be the most popular building at the facility. This is what you call an anchor store. It will bring people to the facility. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, and we'll keep you guys updated as to when this KFC location opens. And this is one of many other locations that they are opening across the country. Alright guys, have a good day.